Recon is pleased to offer our PCBRM15 solder wave rework repair station. The machine comes with a $948 spare part kit, which is still new. It includes a brand new pump assembly with impeller, thermocouples, various tools and greases, spare relay. We have the main machine, lead-free pot. There is solder in the pot. Got an IR preheat station. Digital controlled temperature readouts. And you can move your product from the IR station to the pot automatically. Rails and stroke are adjustable via thumb screw. Contact Recon for details.